Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body baby. VQs. Let
It's
go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things.
Yeah. Standing. Y'all know the TikTok that was like standing. Yeah. 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 Okay. Okay, let me chill. Let me turn off my fan so I could be a little hot for a second. But, because for some reason, like, the microphone picks up, like, everything. It just picks up everything. I need to get another microphone that just picks up what I got to say. But we are so, like, I'm so happy. I don't know if it's, do I look a little, I feel like I look super light. I think it's maybe because of light. But anyway, we have a new bag alert. Major bag alert. Hey, bag alert. Major bag alert. Look, y'all, I haven't done a bag alert in a little while. I will link down below my most recent bag alert. If not, you can also check out my bag alert playlist. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe because it's totally free. Everyone can afford it. And if you want to get a ring every time I upload, which is every Wednesday, go ahead and click the bell. If not, just click the subscribe button. Visit your girl on social media. Everything will be linked down below. Without further ado, we're just going to get right into this. So, if you can tell by the title, this major bag alert is Louis Vuitton. We've got a classic bag that is actually pretty hard to get your hands on these days unless you're buying from the pre-love market. However, Lil T, so if you buy this, your gift pamphlet card will actually come in there if you're considering buying this for a gift for someone. But the bag is so cute, y'all. Like the box is so small. I'm not used to getting a small box from Louis Vuitton, but and here is the bag. This is what it comes in, the dust bag, of course. And let's just take it right out. So of course we got this information right here. I don't know if y'all can see. This is the, I imagine it's like the receipt and stuff. So it comes in an envelope and it has basically thank you for purchasing from Louis Vuitton, yada yada yada. It has your return receipt and it has a gift receipt in it, and so on and so forth. But this is the baby. I was so against this bag so long ago, but look at this. She is so cute. She's cute. Like, she's so cute. She's so cute. Okay, specs of this bag. This is the ALMA BB, if you can tell, and it is in the shape of a bowling ball. I should have, y'all know I like my history facts. I like my history facts. However, this bag was actually designed in the shape of a bowling ball. There used to be a bigger size. I'm not sure if they still sell it, called the PM, the ALMA PM. And this is actually, I learned from the sales associate that the Damir Abin, I always say it wrong. This print is the original print that Louis Vuitton made. And everyone thinks it's the monogram print. The monogram print is actually made from his son. His son made it to celebrate his dad, and then they just added it on. But however, this is the original print made from Louis Vuitton. So I thought that was pretty cool. On the outside of the bag, you have your keys, I believe. Oh, I'm so excited to have, y'all understand this bag is so hard to find. On the outside of the bag, you have your key. You know, it usually comes with a lock, which is probably inside the bag because it wasn't in the box, so we'll see. This bag is actually very light, a lot lighter than its counterpart, the Speedy. I think it's just because the stuff I have in there. However, it is very light. Okay, there it is. So inside is the lock. And it comes in this cute little coin purse that I actually do put coins in. And this is the lock, like everyone knows what the lock looks like. Made in Paris on the back. And I usually just leave that in the box. I don't really lock my bags, but it's a cute addition. And then the strap to this bag. Now, one thing that I do not like, oh, let me hit myself. One thing that I do not like about this bag that I will say is that the strap, maybe because I'm a tall mommy, I am a tall woman, and I would love, like, the strap doesn't have a adjustable, it's not an adjustable strap, so what length you get is the length that it comes with, child. That's the one thing I would complain about this bag. However, this bag is so beautiful. The inside is that cherry red. You do not have any options with this bag like you do with the Neverfull. Like, I wish that I could got like a rose ballerine, like, hello Louis Vuitton, hello, can anyone hear me? Like, sis doesn't want the red inside, I want pink. They're like, the AKA girl says she wants pink, like, who cares? But it comes with the cherry red inside. Let me zoom in. Y'all, I'm scooting up my phone, like I'm scooting up in my chair as if my camera doesn't zoom in. Lord have mercy. And I still do it because I just don't want to zoom in. Anyway, this is the cherry red inside of the bag. It comes with like one little pouch where I guess you can just put your if you have like a card slot or card holder in there. The bag is pretty small. However, this is an everyday bag. Like, you can take this to the lounge. You can you can take this bag everywhere. This is a bag that you can take to the club without them telling you that your bag is too big, i.e. my Speedy. But I'm gonna stand up because I'm 6 feet tall, so if anybody is tall, y'all will kind of know where it hits. So I'm 6 feet tall, right? And when I stand up and have it right on my shoulder, as you can see, it hits my thigh area. I don't even want to say thigh. It hits right below my hip. So I mean, it hits at a good length. Even with being 6 feet, it hits at a good length. Now, if I were to put it crossbody, I want it to be up close so y'all can see. It kind of hits the same. It just hugs a little more against the skin. I feel like this bag is perfect for crossbody because it hugs the skin. It goes out a little bit at the end. However, y'all know I do have the Speedy, and the Speedy, when I wear crossbody, like, sis is just in the way. Like, sis is big, sis is in the way, sis is round. So something like this that kind of hugs against your skin neatly is a good bag to have. I do see people put charms or whatever right here, but this is just beautiful. Now, the leather is treated cow. So it also came with these. One, I guess, is the scan code for it. The other one, it says coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining, and it says made in US of imported materials and components. Now, the bag retails for $14. Has had a price increase. I know, if you're aware, like, now the Neverfull is like $1,500. The Speedy even went up to like $1,600, and I believe this bag went up as well. So I'm looking up the price of the bag for you all. Yes, this bag did go up. Wow. This bag did go up. The ALMA BB is priced at $14.80 with taxes 88 cents. The bag comes out to $1,568.80, and that is US dollars. But like I said, this is a timeless piece. This is a quick major bag alert. We got canvas. This part is canvas. You can get the ALMA BB in all leather. That is going to be priced at a different price point. And then we got the handles, the strap, the bottom sits. She has shoes. These are what I call shoes, so she doesn't sit on the ground or on the table. You're not actually putting your bag on that surface. And this bottom is going to be treated leather as well. If you were to get the monogrammed version of this, the leather is not treated, so it does patina once it ages. However, it does look very nice. I am looking to get the monogram version of this bag as well, just because I like this bag. Like, it's such a cute, timeless, you fit all your essentials in here bag. So I hope y'all enjoyed this major bag alert video. Like, y'all, this is so cute. She's so cute. Like, I usually don't like small purses, but I've been seeing my friends go out with this bag, and I'm like, I think I kind of need it. Like, I think I kind of need it as well. I do want to pay attention to this little itty bitty detail that I do appreciate from Louis Vuitton, is that I haven't seen anyone else point this out. When you do hook your straps on cat a corner, you see this. I don't know if y'all can. Yes, y'all can. Yes, y'all can. Wait, can y'all? You see this like hook like area, and that is the area where you hook it onto, instead of having to hook it right here close to the strap, if that makes sense. Instead of having to hook it right here, there's a designated place to hook it outside of where the handlebars are. So this bag is so cute. Yeah, I will see y'all in the next major bag alert video. Comment down what you like. What do you think the next bag alert will be? Like, what do you think? But don't forget to watch the other bag alerts. Not all of them I have are designer bags. I do feature a Coach bag that I still get so many compliments on, and I also feature a bag from Pretty Little Things. So go ahead and check out that playlist, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next video. I love y'all so much, and like I always say, stay true to yourselves.